everyone, and welcome back to this tutorial series for beginners. In this video, we would be learning about how you can create variables. So enough theory has been discussed. Let's get right into the working of how you create variables. Let's say I want to create a variable called pi. So you first write the name that you would want to give to your variable. So I would like to give my variable the name of pi, and then after an equal to, you set the value. So 3.141, let's just say that. That's it. Pretty simple. Name, let's create a variable called name is equal to, and then inside strings, inside quotation marks, you write the name that you want to give. So John, and we can use these variables anywhere. Let's first try to print them. Print, and then instead of writing John here, you can just type name, and when I Python 3 part 4.py, and when I run it, it says John right here, but I passed name. Now you see I did not pass name inside quotation marks. You might be wondering why. Because what I'm passing is a literal, a specific keyword which I just made, a variable. For any keyword, you do not need to pass it inside a string. So name is defined. You see when I click on name, Visual Studio already just highlights the referring point that name is here. I can also print pi, so I'll just print pi, and when I run it here, it says John and the value of pi, which is 3.141. So what is happening internally is when I say print name, the program looks for a variable called name, it finds it here, and it gives this value and puts it directly here for us, so that we don't have to manually write John again and again. Pretty awesome, right? So that was it for this video. In the next video, we would be learning about how to swap between different data types. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.